Hello friends, welcome to the class. Welcome to the RK Pharma Rockstar YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss again 50 question for ESIC pharmacist examination which is held on 10th of December 2023 and as well as ZB pharmacist examination which is held on 21st of December as well as 26th of December. Okay, those who are new to the channel please like, share and subscribe the session. ठीक है? So let's go. Our first question is, a simple syrup is a fill in the blank solution of fill in the blank solution in water. Simple syrup क्या होता है? What is simple syrup? एक सेकेंड. What is simple syrup? Simple syrup is fill in the blanks solution of fill in the blanks in water. Saturated sucrose, saturated fructose, unsaturated sucrose and unsaturated fructose. Which one is correct? So simple syrup is saturated solution of sucrose in water. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Simple syrup is a saturated solution of sucrose in water. Got it? Option first is correct. Next question. Drawback of oral liquid is accept. Drawback of oral liquid is accept. Chemical degradation, physical degradation, biological degradation, ionic degradation. Which one is correct? The drawback of oral liquid is accept biological degradation. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Got it? Next question. Gargles are. What is gargles? Gargles are. The first one, aqueous solution used to prevent the sore throat infection. Next, liquid preparation meant for external application without friction. Third, viscous liquid preparation meant for relief of cough. And D, viscous liquid preparation used for mouth and throat infection. Which one is correct? What is gargle? तो gargle होता है aqueous solution used to prevent the sore throat infection. Gargles are aqueous solution used to prevent the sore throat infection. Got it? Next question. Which of the following is not monophasic liquid dosage form for internal uses? Which of the following is not a monophasic liquid dosage form for internal uses? Which one is correct? The options are given here. Liniments, linctures, elixir, syrups. Which one is correct? Option A is correct. Which one? Liniments. Next question. Caps locking phenomenon is associated with syrup, colloidons, elixirs, liniments. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Caps locking phenomenon is associated with syrups. Got it? Next question. Syrups are used to flavors, vehicle, pharmaceutical aid, all of the above. Which one is correct? Syrups are used to. So syrups are used to all of the above as a flavor, vehicle agent as well as pharmaceutical aid. So option D is correct. Next question. Need for mouthwash is the result of condition of need for mouthwash is the result of condition is called yawning, indigestion, halitosis, sore throat. Which one is correct? The correct answer is option number C, halitosis. Next question. What is the purpose of inversion in case of syrup formulation? What is the purpose of inversion of case of syrup formulation? The options are given here. To reduce microbial growth, retard oxidation, both A and B, none of the above. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. क्या पूछा था क्वेश्चन में? What is the purpose of inversion in case of syrup formulation? The option are, which one is correct? Option C is correct. Both A and B. to reduce microbial growth as well as retard oxidation. Next question. Alcohol concentration in elixir is. Alcohol concentration in elixir is A. 10 to 40%, B. 10 to 20%, C. 10 to 30%, D. 20 to 50%. Which one is correct? Alcohol concentration in elixir is 10 to 40%. How much? 10 to 40%. Next question. Mandel's paint is also known as. Mandel's paint is also known as. क्या होता है Mandel's paint? तो ये होता है कंपाउंड आयोडीन पेंट. What is Mandel's paint? Compound iodine paint. Option D is correct. Next question. Syrup can't be sterilized by autoclaving because syrups can't be sterilized by autoclaving because they can decompose by heat, they contain flavoring agent, they are filled in glass bottle, they are used by common people. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है they can decompose by heat. Syrups can't be sterilized by autoclaving because they can decompose by heat. Got it? Syrups can't be sterilized by autoclaving because they can decompose by heat, they contain flavoring agent, they can filled in a glass bottle, they are used by common people. Which one is correct? Option A is correct. They can decompose by heat. Got it? Next question. Which is not type of syrup? The option given here: simple syrup, medicated syrup, flavored syrup, mixed syrup. Which one is correct? So, not a type of syrup पूछा है. तो mixed syrup is not a type of syrup. Mixed syrup is not a type of syrup. Okay? Simple syrup, medicated syrup and flavored syrups are the type of syrup. Next question. Alcoholic or hydroalcoholic solution of volatile substances is known as. Alcoholic or hydroalcoholic solution of volatile substances is known as spirit, gargle, douches, tincture. Which one is correct? Option A is correct. That is spirit. Option A is correct. Next question. Synonym for cresols with soap solution is. What is the synonym for cresol with the soap solution? क्या होता है? तो ये होता है लाइजॉल. ये होता है लाइजॉल. Cresol with soap solution is Lysol. Next question. Option A is correct. Next question. The study of flow of characteristics of fluid in term is termed. क्या होता है? The study of flow of characteristic of fluid is termed. तो ये होता है रिहोलॉजी. क्या होता है? रिहोलॉजी. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Inversion of sucrose in syrup due to the heat is known as. Inversion of sucrose in syrup due to the heat is known as isomerization, epimerization, caramelization, ionization. Which one is correct? Inversion of sucrose in syrup due to the heat is known as caramelization. Option C is correct. Next question. Throat paints are fill in the blanks liquid preparation. What is throat paint? Throat paint are fill in the blanks liquid preparation. Is it viscous, non-viscous, solid, gas? Which one is correct? तो ये होता है throat paint is a viscous liquid preparation. Throat paint is a viscous liquid preparation. Got it? Next, nasal drop should be isotonic with 0.9% sodium chloride, 0.9% methyl cellulose, 0.5% sodium chloride, 0.5% methyl cellulose. Which one is correct? तो nasal drop should be isotonic with 0.9% of sodium chloride. Nasal drop should be isotonic with 0.9% of sodium chloride. Next question. An antimicrobial preservative commonly used for nasal solution is. An antimicrobial preservative commonly used for nasal solution is benzalkonium chloride, sorbic acid, thimerosal, phenyl mercury. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है बेंजालकोनियम क्लोराइड. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सिरप कंटेन 85% weight by volume sucrose. एक सेकेंड. सिरप कंटेन ऑप्शन ए 85% weight by volume sucrose, 66.7% weight by weight sucrose, then both, none of the above. Which one is correct? तो ए होता है बोथ. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. 85% weight by volume sucrose as well as 66.7% weight by weight sucrose. Got it? Most repeated question. Potassium bromide is a mixture. Mixture is an example of. Potassium bromide mixture is an example of simple mixture, diffusible mixture, indiffusible mixture, emulsion. Which one is correct? तो पोटेशियम ब्रोमाइड मिक्सचर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल मिक्सचर. पोटेशियम ब्रोमाइड मिक्सचर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल मिक्सचर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक है. ओके. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज यूज एज अ थ्रोट पेंट व्हीकल. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज यूज एज अ थ्रोट पेंट व्हीकल. ग्लिसरीन, वाटर, सिरप, सोल्यूशन. विच वन इज करेक्ट? तो ये होता है ग्लिसरीन. ग्लिसरीन इज यूज एज अ थ्रोट पेंट व्हीकल. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इलिक्सर्स आर. व्हाट इज इलिक्सर्स? तो इलिक्सर्स होता है स्वीटंट हाइड्रो अल्कोहलिक सोल्यूशन. इलिक्सर्स आर स्वीटंट हाइड्रो अल्कोहलिक सोल्यूशन. गॉट इट? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Gargle should be fill in the blanks before it is used. Undiluted, diluted, diluted with the equal volume of alcohol only and boil. Which one is correct? So gargle should be diluted before it is used. Gargle should be diluted before it is used. Next question. Preservative are used in IV dosage form is. Preservative used in IV dosage form phenol, benzoic acid, benzalkonium chloride, all of the above. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है बेंजालकोनियम क्लोराइड. Preservative used in IV dosage form is benzalkonium chloride. Got it? Next question. The purpose of paraben in syrup is as. The purpose of paraben in syrup is as stabilizer, preservative, buffer, thickener. Which one is correct? So ये होता है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज प्रिजर्वेटिव. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्कारलेट रेड इज अ. स्कारलेट रेड इज अ क्या होता है? तो स्कारलेट रेड होता है ऑयल सोलुबल डाई. ऑयल सोलुबल डाई. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Liniment must not be applied on the fill in the blank skin. Liniments must not be applied on the fill in the blank skin. Swelled, broken, painful, normal. Which one is correct? Option B is correct. Broken. Liniments must not be applied on broken skin. Got it? Next question. Nasal spray should be isotonic and buffered at pH. Nasal spray should be isotonic and buffered at pH 6, 6.2, 6.4, 6.4, 6.6. Which one is correct? So nasal spray should be isotonic and buffered at the pH 6.2. Option B is correct. Next question. Liquid oral preparation of which one or two large doses of about 50 ml are given in a single dose container is given as. तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? ड्रॉट्स. क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रॉट्स. सिंगल डोज कंटेनर में जो दिया जाता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रॉट्स. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Reading pharmaceutical elixirs, which of the following statement is true? Regarding pharmaceutical elixirs, which of the following statement is true? The options are given here. Preservative are required in all elixir formulation. Elixir require addition of sweetening agent. Then elixirs are generally contain more 10% alcohol USP. Both B and C. Which one is correct? तो यह है both B and C. Option D is correct. Next. Enemas are also called as elixir, suspension, clister, emulsion. Which one is correct? तो enemas are also called as clister. Option number C is correct. Got it? Next question. The aromatic water used as a carminative for infant in gripe water is dill water, anise water, chloroform water, camphor water. Which one? The aromatic water used as a carminative for infant in gripe water. तो ये होता है dill water. ये होता है dill water. Option A is correct. Next question. Which of the following liquid dosage preparation is applied externally to the skin, not in the cavities? Eardrops, enemas, colloidons, douches. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है colloidons. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Next question. Viscous liquid preparation used for the relief of cough. क्या होता है? Viscous liquid preparation used for the relief of cough. The option given here: gargles, drop, elixirs, linctus. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है linctus. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next question. In artificial syrup, which ingredient is used? Glucose, sucrose, fructose, saccharin. Which one is? In artificial syrup, which ingredient is used? तो ये होता है saccharin. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next question. The term hydrotrophy is used to denote water uptake capacity, water repulsion capacity, increase in aqueous solubility due to the presence of large amount of additives, and the D, wetting ability. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है increase in the aqueous solubility due to the presence of large amount of additives. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Next. Boric acid is freely soluble in. Boric acid is freely soluble in. Option are given here: water, alcohol, glycerin, chloroform. Which one is correct? तो boric acid is freely soluble in glycerin. Option C is correct. Next question. Milk of magnesia is natural surfactant, semi-synthetic surfactant, synthetic surfactant, inorganic surfactant. Which one is correct? तो milk of magnesia is inorganic substance, surfactant. Option number D is correct. Milk of magnesia is inorganic surfactant. Got it? Next question. Carbohydrate that is 200 times sweeter than sucrose. Carbohydrate that is 200 times sweeter than sucrose. The options are given here: saccharin, aspartame, allium, sodium cyclamate. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है aspartame. Option number B is correct. Got it? Next question. The following special labeling instruction on linctuses should be on its label. Which one? Not to be swallowed, to be added or hot but not boiling water and vapor inhale for 5 to 10 minutes. Sip and swallow without addition of water. Then D, to be taken alter diluting with water. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है sip and swallow without addition of water. Option C is correct. Next, simple syrup is a saturated solution of. किसका होता है? सुक्रोज, फ्रुक्टोज, डेक्सट्रोज, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो सिंपल शुगर इज अ सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन ऑफ. किसका होता है? सुक्रोज. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following formulation would be considered as an oropharyngeal formulation? Linctuses, mouthwash, elixirs, syrups. Which one is? तो ये होता है माउथ वॉश. क्या होता है? माउथ वॉश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next, the extent of presence of zinc oxide in calamine lotion would be 99%, 100%, 96%, 98%. Which one is correct? The extent of presence of zinc oxide is present in calamine lotion should be 98%. Okay? Option D is correct. Next question. Example of non-medicated elixirs except aromatic elixir, isoalcoholic elixirs, pediatric elixirs, compound benzaldehyde elixirs. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है पेड्रियाटिक इलिक्सर्स. कौन सा होता है? पेड्रियाटिक इलिक्सर्स. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ नॉन मेडिकेटेड इलिक्सर्स इज पेड्रियाटिक इलिक्सर्स. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. In the preparation of calamine lotion, sodium citrate is used as a suspending agent, solubilizer, buffering agent, bacteriostatic. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है buffering agent. Option C is correct. Buffering agent. Next question. Hypophosphorus acid in ferric iodide syrup act as a antioxidant, suspending agent, hematinic, preservative. Which one is correct? तो ये होता है एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आइडेंटिफाई द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एसिडिक प्रिजर्वेटिव एक्सेप्ट क्लोरोक्रिसॉल, बेंजोइक एसिड, क्लोरोब्यूटानॉल, फिनॉल. विच वन इज करेक्ट? तो ये होता है क्लोरोब्यूटानॉल. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एसिडिक प्रिजर्वेटिव एक्सेप्ट chlorobutanol. Got it? Next question. Glycerol may be used as a preservative in the percentage of 15%, 50%, 1%, 20%. How much? तो ये होता है 50%. Option B is correct. Next question. What is liniment? Liquid medicament applied with a friction on affected area. Next, liquid medicament applied as a paint. Third, liquid medicament given as a enema. Then D, liquid medicament given orally. Which one is correct? तो liniment is a medicament applied with a friction on affected area. What is liniment? Liniment medicament applied with a friction on affected area. That is called liniment. Applied with a friction, okay, on affected area. Option A is correct. Next question. हो गए हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन सारे. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द सेशन. अभी हमारा ESIC का मॉक चल रहा है. ESIC एज वेल एज ZP फार्मासिस्ट. ठीक है. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.